The 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 is one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever built, and it remains a symbol of the golden age of performance cars. The Mach 1 was Ford's response to the increasing demand for high-performance street cars that combined both style and power. With its aggressive styling and potent engines, it was a standout model in the Mustang lineup. But what happens when you mix two of Ford's most legendary performance engines, the Cobra Jet V8 and the 427 side-oiler V8, into one? You get something truly special, the 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Cobra Jet V8 side-oiler. When Ford introduced the Mach 1 in 1969, it quickly became a bestseller. Over 72,500 units were sold, making it one of the most popular Mustangs of its time. The Mach 1 was part of Ford's performance trinity that included the Boss 302 and Boss V29, but the Mach 1 was the model that gained the most traction with the public. Most Mach 1s were equipped with the 351 Cleveland V8 engine, but a significant number came with the 428 Cobra Jet V8, one of the most famous muscle car engines of the time. The Cobra Jet engine was a performance powerhouse, capable of propelling the Mach 1 down the quarter-mile in impressive times. However, the 427 side-oiler V8 was Ford's true race-bred engine, having been developed for their legendary Le Mans campaigns. By the time the Cobra Jet debuted, the 427 side-oiler had already been discontinued, making it a rare sight in any production car. But what if you could have the best of both worlds? A rare 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Cobra Jet with a 427 side-oiler engine under the hood? That's exactly what we have here, a 428 Cobra Jet Mach 1 that has been retrofitted with a 427 side-oiler V8. This car is the ultimate example of built, not bought, as it blends two iconic engines from Ford's past into one unique machine. Originally, this Mach 1 came with a 428 Cobra Jet V8, but it now features a 427 side-oiler block, which was paired with 428 Cobra Jet heads and a 428 Police Interceptor intake manifold. The engine setup is a nod to the original Cobra Jet V8 engine that Ford used in their early drag racing cars, making this a highly modified and incredibly rare version of the Mach 1. The car is equipped with a full roll cage, traction bars, and a hot cam, which all contribute to its aggressive and loud presence. With open headers, it sounds like a true muscle car, ready to take on the strip or the street. The interior of the car retains its original sheet metal, wheels, and interior, with the obvious race upgrades like new gauges and a floor-mounted shifter. The car also comes with options that are uncommon for a muscle car of this era, such as air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes, making it a more roadworthy vehicle despite its heavy race modifications. This 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Cobra Jet V8 side-oiler is up for sale at a surprisingly affordable price in the upper $40,000 range. While that might sound like a lot, it's actually a great deal for a piece of muscle car history that combines performance with a touch of luxury. Of course, the car has been repainted from its original pastel gray to a striking royal maroon color, giving it a bold new look that stands out wherever it goes. Given the rarity of the 427 side-oiler and its place in Ford's racing legacy, this car is more than just a muscle car, it's a piece of automotive history. It may not be original in every respect, but its combination of Cobra Jet power and side-oiler engineering makes it one of the most unique Mustangs you'll ever see. Whether you choose to keep it as is or return it to its original state with a 428 Cobra Jet V8, this Mach 1 is a car that will always stand out in a crowd. For anyone who's dreamed of owning a piece of classic American muscle, this 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Cobra Jet V8 side-oiler offers the chance to experience the best of both worlds, incredible performance and a rich history that no other car can match.